stand up to letter Z. Okay, find the letter K. Stand up the letter K. No. Find the letter O. Go to O. Octopus. Yay! Good job. Find the letter D. D is for dog. Good. Find the letter G. G is for girl. Good job. Find the letter C. C is for cat. Yay! Good job! Clap your hands. Dance, 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 kitty, dance with me. Dance, 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 kitty, dance with me. Oh! Look at this one. Why is watery?
It's where the infection's coming out.
Oh, really? Hello.
Yeah.
Look at guys. Oh.
The little back things are small. They know you.
Hello. Yan po yung napala ni Daddy. Nag-visit kami sa aming friend. Pinaak ng mga aunt. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Nagyayan ko ng alcohol. Oh my gosh. Be the other. Be.
You get the back
The back right here.
No.
Wait. Ayan na mga my guys, get ready with me na kay para mag-running na ta, magpa-burn na, burn sa atong fats mga my guys. So kailangan ko talaga na mag-walk again kasi pag na-stop ko ang walking, it's very hard, very tired talaga mga my guys, it's not easy. So that's the way they said, kaon is life, exercise is very tired. So anyway, nag-get ready na ko sa akong treadmill, so para maka 1 hour ko, so okay na yung 1 hour kasi 200 calories ka pinang makuha nimo. So nag-warm up na ko sa ako ang duha ka tiil mga my guys. I'm gonna get warm up kay dili basta-basta ang 1 hour. So start na gani siya og almost 20, 30. So I'm very happy of that, and then 30, 40, 50 ganyan. So anyway, and then screenshotan ko si Mami Lynn, siya din, kaming dalawa, we do video call and she do workout. So me and her, we have good time, and also my baby girl. So she's here while I'm running. She tried to say, push up mommy, I want to push up, you need to push up, and I told her, just push yourself baby. And then finally I give her a music mga my guys para hindi siya mag-disturb sa akin kasi pag magka-disturb yan sa akin, very tired talaga. So finally nakakuha ako ng 1 hour. So the calories is 211 or 212. So finally nakatapos din ako. Hindi talaga basta-basta mag-workout mga my guys kasi especially ma-stop mo na, grabe na talaga. Tapos naggamit na din ako ng patuwad-tuwad basta makapagsingot lang. Anyway, I'm very grateful na fit ko yung jug ko from the Philippines. I love that kind of jeans. So anyway, thank you so much for watching.